Simplified's AI writer has a fantastic feature called Free Flow, which is the key to writing clear and professional emails in no time. Let's open a new document. Now I've copied and pasted in an email that I received from a client, and now I'm going to give the AI a command to write a response. I'm going to highlight the entire section and then click Continue. And in seconds, the AI has crafted a professional email response for you. Now I'm going to show you how FreeFlow can help you write an email from scratch. Simply give the AI a command with a few details, highlight, click Continue, and voila! In seconds, you have a professional and well-written email. And within Simplified's documents, there's Grammarly checking, which saves you so much time and helps you make sure there's no grammatical errors in any of your copywriting. Lastly, I'm going to use FreeFlow to generate a follow-up email. Like we did before, give the AI a command, highlight, and then click Continue. And there you go. FreeFlow gives you a template in which you can expand on or leave as it is. Simplified's FreeFlow is the most versatile AI writing tool, and it saves you so much time and helps you craft professional writing in seconds. To use our AI writer and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.